it takes off. We're now sitting there waiting for our command. Right, just going to stand in front of him. And put your thumb on that one. Put your other hand just there on the side there. And we're going to guide this thing around. This is you flying it right now. So you just tilt the eye touch whichever way you want the AR drone to go. It's that easy. I don't have much gaming experience, but something that I picked up really, really easily, and I'm loving it. And I've been flying this thing for 3-4 days now, and I'm still having fun doing it. You want to go by yourself without me? Alright, just be gentle with it, yeah? See, and that's exactly what the indoor hull's made for. It's actually made for crashing. It's not ideal, but when you crash it, you put it straight back down like that. That's the takeoff button. That's all right to say. You haven't damaged it, you haven't done anything wrong. That's what they're made for. You can still keep playing if you like. I've actually just got to reset the trim on this one, because when it does crash, you have to make sure the trim's okay. Press trim and you're ready to go again. Alright, I think Jamie's going to take over talking for a little bit to save my voice. But please do come inside, folks. Come inside and check out the AR drone. It is a very, very, very cool invention. It's used to, basically a remote control quadricopter for video gaming that you control through your iPhone, iPad or iTouch. Jamie, take it away, brother.
Or iPad. This is the way you connect to a regular Wi-Fi network. And so through that Wi-Fi connection, you're going to get video footage streamed to your iPod, and you'll be able to control it using the gyroscope on board. As you can see, just using your hands, around like that. Easy to control, very natural, really cool. So you can pick it up and just start having fun straight away. Okay, all you need to do, hold on. Press your left thumb down on that one, and as you rock the phone, it's going to move for you. So if you feel like you lose control at any time, just let go, and it's going to sit there for you. So it's nice and slow.
He said it can't hurt no one, so... Slow. Slow's not fun, but go, yeah.
If you want to keep playing, you're going to have to do it slow, right?
Like that, hold that.
Yeah, hold that, yeah?
Hold that.
Not too high.
Take it out the door. Go. You start following it. Do a second.
Anyone else like to have a go while we're demonstrating it today?
Yeah, the question we had from the young man just now is just asking the difference between the two units. There's actually all part of the same one. We've got two different shells. We've got the indoor shell and we've got the outdoor hull. This one's the outdoor hull, obviously for when you get a little more confident with your flying. This one's, come on, get you to hold it for me for a second, Jamie. This one's the indoor hull. Now, obviously, there's a couple of reasons to this. Number one is they can actually bump into walls and stuff, into furniture, and it'll actually auto-stabilise itself. So, you know, like a lot of remote-controlled cars or helicopters in the past, you crash them into the wall, and then they actually fall to the ground, they break, and there's your $100 down. That's not what this does. So it's not just that, but also protects you from the blades if you're flying inside. The blades don't actually hurt that much. I'm not going to stick my hand in there. I can, but it's not really going to hurt that much. But just keeping everyone safe, especially if you've got small kids around. The outdoor hull is great for when you're flying without outside, and it is easy to change these over. So easy, literally. On, off. That easy. So get them all when you buy your AR drone. You get both the indoor hull and the outdoor hull. You get the unit, you get a few stickers, you get a battery, you get a charger, and we're selling them here today for $349. $349. They're available exclusively through Telstra online and also around Australia. Hard flying his AR drone, and I come on with mine. There's a second part of it where it's actually a multiplayer game. If you see on the screen there, you like you see it's got the virtual reality side of things. And so yes, combined with the real-life flying, but you can actually chase after your mate and shoot him down with missiles and machine guns. And how you do that is you actually just follow it on the screen of your iPhone, your iPad, your iTouch. No, we won't do that today. We don't really have the space to do that today. There's lots of people around, so we have to be pretty careful with the flying spaces. But go online on YouTube to be able to see what sort of stuff.